Hello people, how you going? Today I just want to make a video about the coinage of the Canton of Geneva. If some of you don't know, Geneva is in Switzerland. The actual city is in the Canton of Geneva, and I'll show you a map so you can see where Geneva is here, and it is also one of the two cities, along with New York, where the United Nations sits, and also has lots of important worldwide institutions. Not only that, it's also the place where the Large Hadron Collider is located. And if you don't know what that is, that's where particle physics does a lot of experiments, like the most famous one is the experiment to find the Higgs boson. And the Higgs boson is just the fundamental particle that gives all particles mass. You should read about it, it's quite interesting. As you can see, I have the 1 centimeters, the 4 centimeters, and in between this there should be 2 centimeters, which I do not have. There's 5 centimeters, 10 and 25 centimeters. Now this is the decimal coinage that was issued in 1837, and as you can see here, this one here is the first design, issued in 1937. This is the second design, issued in 1847. Okay, and these are all billion coins. If you don't know a billion coins, they are just coinage with a silver content of less than 20%. But that is just a methodological term, and it's not actually have any scientific basis or whatever. Okay, up here we have 2 coins, one of 1 soul, another one of 6 souls. Okay, and this is a coin of Vald. Yeah, but if you don't know, before 1850, when the Swiss franc came into circulation, a lot of the Swiss cantons and cities and other identities issued their own coins, but a majority of the silver and gold coins would have been foreign, as silver and gold, doesn't matter what coin it would have been, as long as it was of good value, would have been weighed at any trade market in any city in the world and accepted for its silver and gold weight. That is true from Australia to Africa to North America to Hong Kong, Japan, anywhere. I could take a coin from Japan, take it to Switzerland here, they would weigh it, probably just do a test to see the density and all that stuff, and they would have accepted it as a silver weight in coin. In some cities they allow you to, like the Mughals, they allow you to take silver, either bullion or other coins, and get it minted into the local coinage. Okay, the inscription. The inscription says Republic et Canton de Geneva. This means Republic of the Canton of Geneva. That's basically it. And if you don't know, the actual language they speak in Geneva is French, but I've read that Germany is sneaking up into that area and expanding its influence in Switzerland at the expense of all the other languages. Okay, I have some rough information here. So until 1359 was the denier. Then the thaler was issued from then. If you don't know, thaler was actually a Bohemian coin that was accepted in a lot of North German states, but the thaler would have been accepted all over Europe in its silver value. But it was mainly popular in Prussia and the North German states. Okay, the Swiss franc was issued in 1950. Oh, and the French franc was issued in 1839. That's the wrong date, 1939. Okay, and same here. This should be 1839, 1846, and 1847. Okay, this is the conversion. 1 thaler equals 12 and 2 florins of 2 sols of 12 deniers. Yeah, I got that off Wikipedia. I'm a bit suspicious of that. Okay, and the Geneva franc was equal to 1 Swiss franc, which was equal to 1 French franc. Okay, here I have the reverses, and as you can see, this is the first reverse, and the second reverse actually has a proper coat of arms of Geneva. This one is like more of a stylized one. And the inscription, Post tenebras lux, if you see up here, that means light after darkness, and it was a motto of the Calvinist Christians somewhere around 1500s it was adopted. And if you look up the top up here, you see it says IHS, which represents Jesus Hominum Salvator. Okay, and that's what that means. And that's just in honor of Jesus. You have to remember the Latins pronounced, or they wrote the J as an I, Jesus. There's a Latin, I don't think they had J in their alphabet. Okay, and as you can see, there's an eagle with a crown on its head and a key. If you want any more information of the coat of arms of Geneva, just look it up on Wikipedia. It has a good explanation. Okay, and all these are the same. And also on the older coinage, the reverse was pretty much the same. Let's see if we can get a better one of the 6 sols. Oh, there you go. Pretty worn. And here's the coat of arms of the Canton of Vaud. And these inscriptions were in Latin, because, as you know, the language of Christianity back then was Latin. And unlike now, in which they adopt the language of the local inhabitants. Okay, so that's my little presentation on Geneva coins and how to bloody read the bastards. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about your experience with Swiss coins and the Swiss Canton coins. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.